bounce off a few things, wouldn't it?
Drop. Wash my hands.
Yeah. They're going to grab me a few things out of dog's mouth, you know.
Drop it. Drop. Now, just hold it this time, don't press anything. When I throw it over that way, just film it that way.
I'll do my best.
That bounced off a few things.
Oh, shit. I think we lost that one.
Nah.
Ah, right. I don't think that's the best video I ever made.
You still got it recording?
Yep. Got the dog on it.
Drop. Drop it. Drop.
Leave. Well, I'm not supposed to catch that one.
I got the dog jumping through the air. Hope you did anyway. Drop.
A few bits on it, usually.
Here, you throw it.
Used to that. Thank you. You don't have to do this.
I can't launch it off my finger, no. So that thing's supposed to be a beehive sort of fucking toy. I'll do it from that way now. Take it back to Nick. Call him over then. Oh shit. Drop. Drop.
Thank you.
To try and throw it in a direction I don't want the dog to suddenly launch on top of me while I'm sitting on here. I can't really zoom in very well. Go on, just throw it. Diesel, bring. Diesel. Alright, dog. Drop. Drop it. Drop. 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 Drop it. I see I can launch it at your beer can this time there, Nick. So I can hit your beer can with it.
Not on the garden, by the way.
Ah?
Not near the garden. I don't want to cause you to go on that one.
Fair enough.